Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 1st, 2021. We have two puzzles left, tectonic one and a binary one. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3331. Alright. Before I start, let me see. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary. That means that in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here and one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Come on. You blow my nose. Oh. Okay. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. No comparing. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.